Now that we have these two main parts created, let's go ahead and build the main body. To start with, let's go ahead and go to our side view, and then go to Create and CV Curve Tool. I'll hold down X and click right here. I'll then hit Insert and move this point over until it lines up with this edge. After doing that, I'll hit Insert again, and I'll continue the flow of this curve as shown. It doesn't have to be perfect, as we'll readjust the shape in a little bit. I'll go ahead and go to Surfaces and Revolve. After doing that, I'll go ahead and control the vertices. I'll go ahead and scale these, or I'm sorry, move them down to create the body a little bit better. I'll go ahead and move that up, and then I'll deselect this object and hit the delete key to delete the curve. I'll hit 3 to go into smooth mode. After doing that, I'll go ahead and readjust the shape a little bit in side view. But first I'd like to go to X-ray. I'll then go ahead and control the vertices a little bit, and I'd like to just drag this set here up, and of course this set here down a little bit, and this one down. I'll then go back to object mode, and I want to convert these to polygons. After doing that, I'll control the vertices, and I'd like to go ahead and simply move some of these vertices around until I get the shape I want. And I only selected one vertice when I was moving. I need to make sure to select both the front and the back. So I'll go ahead and do that here. That, I'll go ahead and simply drag this point forward and up, and then go to my face selection, and I'll select these faces here. And then I'll go ahead and go back to vertices, and I want to readjust this vertice here to round out the shape. I'll then select these faces, like that. And I'll extrude those, and in perspective view, I will go ahead and simply drag those up and in, hit Control A twice, and then make sure my divisions is set to 2, and then I'll go back to object mode. And after doing that, I'll go out of X-ray mode, and I can see I have a sharp point right here that I need to get rid of. To do this, I'll simply zoom into my object here, and I'd like to go ahead and select all of these and move them up. I'll go ahead and rotate those and also scale them down. Like so. I'm just going to select deselect that one, select all of these here, and I'll just drag them up and over a little bit, and that will be good. going to adjust these here. I'll go to the front view, and I'll go to faces, and go back to perspective, make sure I'm right where I need to be. And I'll go ahead and select half of them, delete them. Back in object mode, I'll go ahead and go to polygons, mirror my geometry, make sure merge with original is on. Back to object mode, perspective. And now I'll go ahead and go back to side view in X-ray mode. And I want to adjust these vertices. And I'll continue adjusting to this other shape, and I'll pick up in the next lesson.